swag, bitch.
Good morning, guys. So like I said, today I'm gonna be wrapping the lines for the fuel and the battery. I just went to Advanced Auto Parts to pick up some of the heat sleeves that I'm gonna be using. The guy that I bought the kit from, he sent me some, but of course when he was putting the kit on, he used some of it, and I didn't get all of it, so I just went real quick to buy more that I need for the kit, and then I'm gonna go back home now to start doing the line. Hey guys, so I ended up going on a line spread. I ended up buying the jack that I needed. So you can see it's a low profile jack. I think this one's gonna be perfect for the seat for what I need to do. Hopefully it has a 5,000 pound capacity, so that's definitely way more than what I need. And I also like it because it's smaller than the regular big ones, and it can lift more than what I need to, so I know I should be fine with this one. Next thing is this. I bought it to help me remove the clips from the harness, since I have to remove the harness, as you will see later on in the video. I bought the thread seal tape to seal the plug for the power steering fitting that is connected to the rack, and also I think for something that I need for the oil pressure sensor. So yeah, this was cheap, thankfully. This was really expensive. So this look how there's barely any heat shield left, any heat shield in here, and this was almost $20, and this was like almost $40. Super expensive. Because I don't think I have enough here for everything that I need to wrap, so hopefully between these two should be enough, and also with whatever I have here. So hopefully that should be all that I need. I don't really want to spend more money, so with all of that, I'll just start to working on the car. Guys, so this is the fitting that I was saying. This one right here. I'm gonna remove this, and then I can take it off and put the thread sealant. I have it right here. Okay guys, so I just removed this plastic from the alternator, and then in the instructions says that I have to shave down these plastic corners. This will focus, but yeah, there. Excuse my nails, obviously they're gonna be dirty from working on the car, but yeah, so I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'm gonna start either wrapping the lines, or probably gonna have to remove the clips from this harness. That way I can get some slack and do whatever the instruction says to like bend it and zip tie that shit. Hey guys, so I'm done sanding this down. This is how it looks, and the purpose of that is so that when you put it in the starter, you can fully turn in. I'm not really sure why it needs to do that, but I guess I'll find out later on the install. Yeah, it's just sanding down those two corners, and that's it. Hey guys, so I'm pretty much done with all the lines. I think the only ones that I'm missing are the ones by the transmission. Other than that, I don't think I have to wrap any more lines. So these are the fuel lines that I had. As you can see, I already put the heat sleeves, and these ones are for the battery. they're all done, and the ones over there already connected everything. So we'll see what comes next. Hey guys, so update. I just finished all the lines at the bottom by the transmission. And as you can see, here are the ones by the alternator. So I think that's all of them. We'll see what's next now. I think it's I need to do my motor mounts. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that today though. Hey guys, so I just reached another hiccup. I can't remove the knot of the motor mount for the driver's side. I think it's stripped, so I'm gonna get an extended extractor to see if I can remove it. The one for the passenger side surprisingly was super easy. So yeah, once I get that one out, I should be able to change my motor mounts, because the ones on the bottom are super easy to remove. So yeah, hopefully I can get that one off today, and then maybe I'll be able to do my motor mounts. Well guys, after wrestling for like 2 hours, I was finally able to remove this nut from the driver's side motor mount. As you can see, it's completely chewed up. It took me a lot of tries, and I had to even remove my top heat shield. I don't think that helped that much, but I think maybe helped placing the fuck, this shit's too hot as fuck. Placing the distractor socket in like a better angle to remove the nut. As you can see, I used the swivel, and that's it. Car is finally ready to remove the OEM motor mounts and put the ones from SoHo. I need to run now to Home Depot to get 2 of these nuts, but actually I might have some at home, so I have to check, but I'm gonna get like 2 that are in better conditions for the new motor mounts. Hey guys, so update on the build. I got some wire to get rid of some of the zip ties, just in case when the place is gonna be too hot, that way they don't melt. So I'll be kind of redoing some lines with this, and I was finally able to remove this knot, as you guys saw in the last part of the video. But as you can see, it's completely chewed up. So I went to AutoZone and got 2 new nuts, so I'm gonna be using those. I also had to get a new one. This one I found at Home Depot for this clamp, because for some reason it was missing the nut for this one. So I found one that works. I have to put it back in the box. What else? Oh, and I got these 4x4. I had to get it cut because it was too big, but yes, that way I put this under the oil pan and it doesn't get damaged when I lift up the engine. So now I'm going to remove the bottom bolts or nuts, I'm not sure exactly what they are, from the motor mounts, and then I'm going to lift the engine to put the new motor mount from SoHo. Hopefully it goes smooth, but you know, nothing is easy here, so let's see how it goes. Good thing is, after this I'm going to be doing my oil pan spacer, and then after that I can start installing the hot side of the turbo. Hey guys, so this is what I'm doing right now. Motor is up, as you can see. I already got that motor mount. I need a little bit more space on the other side to put the one on the passenger.
then I have to lower it. Hopefully they will go inside the hole. Hey guys, so motor mounts are on. It was honestly a lot easier than I thought. It dropped perfectly, everything went really smooth. So no hiccups there. And now I'm draining the oil to start working on the oil pan spacer. Once that's done, I can start doing the hot exhaust. So while I wait for the oil to finish leaking, I'm going to put back the heat shield for this side and put some safety wire in those lines and get rid of some zip ties. That way, just in case they don't melt. And also, I'm going to move the power steering line a little closer to the alternator. That way, it's not so close to the headers. And that's it. On that, we should be able to start installing the hot side of the turbo. Hey guys, so this is where I left off. As you guys know, I did the motor mounts and I decided to go with doing the hot side piping, and most of it is done. I still have to tighten everything, but yeah, it's pretty much everything is done. Hopefully tomorrow I can even put the turbo, maybe, I don't know. Other than that, I'm gonna be doing the oil pan spacer another day, but that's everything for today. Thank you.